Hey everybody, I'm Miss Oliveri, and before we get started with my slides, I just wanted to tell you a little bit about myself. This is my second year here at Mimosa, my second year in first grade. I've really enjoyed getting to start this year with all of you. The work that you have been doing looks phenomenal. I can tell you're working really hard at home. So please just keep that up as we continue. I can't wait to get to know you all even more as we continue through this crazy year. All right, I'm going to read the next couple of slides. So now that you're on this link, this will take you through the next few slides. The first one discusses COVID-19 precautions in our classrooms. So these are just some procedures we have implemented to combat the spread of germs within the classroom and the school. So everyone will be expected to wear a mask at all times. So it's student, school staff, teachers, every person in this building is expected to have a mask on at all times. Students will have their own supplies in a box and use it in class. So they will not be sharing supplies with other people. They will only be touching and handling their supplies, and they are responsible for that. Students will sit in their own seat. There will not be a lot of movement within the classroom. Just to kind of help combat the spread of germs, they will be really focused in one spot. Technology will be sanitized after each student. So before a new student gets on the computer, it will be sanitized and cleaned off and all that good stuff. Hands will be washed and sanitized before and after eating. They will also be washed and sanitized before and after recess. Tables will be sanitized after students leave every day and before they move to a new spot. No water fountains will be used within the school, so it's very important that your student brings their own water bottle so that they have something to drink from should they get thirsty throughout the day. Doors, light switches, and restrooms are being cleaned often by the custodians throughout the day. So they'll be coming around and cleaning all of that periodically. These three pictures down here show the different things that we're really going to be emphasizing to your students. So the first one is I can wear my face mask at all times. So we're really going to be hitting that periodically throughout the year. I can keep my hands clean by using hand sanitizer, and I can wash my hands for 20 seconds. So throughout the year, we're constantly going to be returning to these things and just really emphasizing the importance of them. All right, let's go on to the next slide. This slide has all of that same information, but in Spanish. So if you would like to read it, you can pause the video and read it, and then hit play when you're done. But we're going to go on to the next slide. All right, cool tools. So students receive cool tools points for being respectful, responsible, ready, and safe. So they're expected to be respectful, responsible, ready, and safe within the classroom, within the cafeteria, the bathroom, the hallways, on buses, and on the playground. If you look over here at this picture, it'll show you the different ways to be respectful, responsible, ready, and safe within each area and the expectations that we are going to hold your students to. After they earn these points, they will be able to earn prizes with the points. So once they've earned a certain number, they'll be eligible to go shop at the school store and earn some prizes. Daily Cool Tools reports. So students will receive this Cool Tool report on Friday, and it's expected to be signed and returned by Monday. So on this report, it'll be respectful, responsible, ready, and safe. And 3, so earning 3 points in each category is the expectation. If students go above and beyond, they may earn a 4 or a 5, okay? So 3 is the expectation. And just be sure you're signing these and getting them back to your teacher by Monday. They will be going home in blue folders. So once we come back face to face, it's important that you're checking your child's blue folder every night. The Cool Tools weekly reports will be sent home weekly unless you're notified differently from your child's teacher. Please sign and return the Cool Tools to your child's homeroom teacher. The folder is the main way we communicate important information to parents, so it's really important that you're checking it daily. There might be important notes or things that need to be signed. Students' homework can be found in the blue folder, so it's just really important that these are being checked. The folder will be used every day, so please keep up with it. Take papers out of it daily and keep it neat and clean, especially right now as we're trying to kind of contain the spread of germs. It's just really important that that folder stays clean. All right, so that is the end of my slides. Once you exit out of this video, you can go back to the PowerPoint, go to the slide right after blue folders, and you should see another link with your next video reading the next couple slides. I hope you all have a great evening. Bye.